guys, Lindsay, and in this video I am going to show you how you can private your Facebook account. So the first thing you want to do when you're on Facebook, you want to head over to these three strike here, the menu bar option. You want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy here. So when we click here, it has a drop down menu. We click on settings here, then we enter into the settings area. We have a lot of options here, so we want to scroll down until we see privacy. You want to click on the privacy settings here, and we can manage our profile from here as well. We can check a few important things. We can set our post when posting, so we can choose from friends, public, and friends accept. We can choose friends for now and just navigate back. There's a question here: who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow? We are going to change this from public, and we are going to choose friends. Then we navigate back using the arrow. Who can see your stories? We are going to change this from public to friends. We are going to choose friends, change. Then we are going to navigate back. Who can see your highlights? We are going to change this as well from public to friends. And then we are going to navigate back and click OK to apply the changes. Also, you can see here, this section says how people find and contact you. So you can choose everyone, or you can choose friends of friends on Facebook. We are going to leave this on everyone, but if you so desire, you can choose friends of friends, so people won't be able to find you on Facebook unless it is a friend of friend. So we are going to go back. There is another important question here: who can see your friends list? This is actually all the persons that you add as friends on Facebook. We are going to choose friends at the moment here. Also, we can click to see more. We can choose only me. So only me can see my friends list on Facebook. This is a very important private settings that you need to enable. Only you alone will be able to see your friends list. So if you have 1,000 friends, 2,000, no one would not be able to go through your friends. And guys, this is how you privatize your account. Also, you can privatize who can look you up using email address you provided, everyone. You can also privatize who can look you up using cell phone number provided, and also search engine outside of Facebook as well. So guys, this is how you actually privatize your Facebook account. I hope that this was helpful. My name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. I'm out. I'll see you soon.